Stand over here. Open the card. I have money or something in it. And Addie, I need you to read it out loud.
Okay.
Hold that.
For the first time in forever, I'm getting what I'm dreaming of. A trip to...
Say it out loud so she knows.
A trip to Disney World. But that's your have to leave right now.
Mia, you want to push the button? Here.
Move out of the way.
Watch out. It works. Watch out, Addie. Ready? We're going to Disney World. Are you ready? We're going for 5 days. We come back Thursday. Are you excited now? Are you?
Oh.
Yes? You don't know what to think, huh? And here's your carry-on bag. It has all of our stuff in it. I've planned everything. Everything is planned.
So we're not
This is
going
the
to
special.
Houston.
We are going to Houston. I didn't lie about that.
Okay, I was like,
We're going
just
from
like
Houston to Florida. We have to make the pit stop in Houston to get on a bigger plane. So,
Why do you cry?
because this is a big moment for me.
Yay!
Yay!
Our
Are we
kids-
good? Can you believe it?
Here's the thing.
We're gonna be at Disney World for your birthday.
That's Addie.
No, that's mine. It still hasn't hit me yet either, so it's okay. You ready?
This is good.
That's y'all's.
Here.
You can't believe it, can you?
Oh, just so you know, that's
Do you want to go? You sure? Just me? Is that okay? We're gonna be okay together?
and with me.
All right. Hey, I'm so proud of y'all. Give me hugs. We're going to
Where's
Disney
the
World.
me?
We're going to Disney World.
Where's the
Give me
me?
kisses. Are you happy? Oh, I'm too. I was hoping that you would be so happy.
Mom, this
What?
was actually disgusting,
What?
but I'm not trying to be rude. I actually, when you kissed me,
You got some tear on you? Sorry. I'm too happy. It's just me. It's just I'm happy. I'm not sad. All right, let's go to Disney World. Woo!
Okay.